Right then, if you're wondering how to find the exclusive front auxiliary plug on the Yamaha Niken, you've come to the right place. This one's specific for the Niken, but other Yamaha riders might find a nugget or two here as well. Step 1. Remove the windshield, which I've already done. This is the GT screen, and yes, I did fit a tiny deflector at the top to battle the howling wind noise. Spoiler alert, it does help a bit. Next up, the windshield bracket. 4 hex bolts hold it on, and folding the mirrors forward gives you a bit more room to work. Optional, but recommended unless you like swearing. Now we'll tackle the front central panel. 2 bolts up top, then gently but firmly pull the panel upwards. About halfway down there's a lug that pops out of a rubber grommet. It feels like you're about to break something, but you won't. Probably. There's also a little tab at the bottom, so keep your eye on that. Tucked into the loom, like it's hiding from responsibility, is the auxiliary plug. Mine was taped up with black tape, which made it just a bit harder to find. Yamaha, you cheeky devils. The plug comes with a female blanked connector, no pins, just 2 rubber grommets to keep the weather out. You can use this if you have the right pins handy. The same type are used on various other connectors. To wire your own connectors, you'll need to know which side's positive. With the ignition on and a multimeter set to volts, test the pins. You can check across the plug, or go from frame ground to each pin to find the 12 volt side, the positive one. Or switch the multimeter to continuity mode. One probe to the frame, one probe and listen to the beep when you're on the right connection. And a top tip here, once you've figured it out, mark a positive side. You can have a plus like I did here. Saves your future self a headache. And if you're planning to run more than one gadget, like some auxiliary lights and a sat nav, there are double adapters available on eBay and elsewhere to make it all a plug and play affair. Hope that helped. I've got a video coming up soon about installing a navigation display system on the Niken, so check that out and consider subscribing if you like practical motorcycle content or just a bit of hint of sarcasm. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.